Hello, today I'm presenting my penetration testing project on the vulnerable virtual machine Jangow 1.0.1 from VulnHub, a safe environment for practicing ethical hacking. The goal was to identify vulnerabilities, escalate privileges to root, and document the process, all inside a controlled lab environment. I used Nmap to scan ports and discover running services. NetDiscover helped me find the machine's IP in my local lab. Dirb was great for finding hidden web directories and endpoints. For local testing, I used the VTP client, linPEAS for privilege escalation checks, and ExploitDB for researching vulnerabilities. Netcat and some Python tricks help me manage shells and connections. I started by finding the target's IP and scanning it with Nmap. I discovered open ports 21 and 80, VTP and HTTP, which immediately told me where to focus next. I explored the website manually and used Dirb to find hidden directories, and one search parameter behaved oddly, which allowed me to read system files. That's how I discovered a local inclusion vulnerability. Initial access. Using local file inclusion vulnerability, I found configuration files and credentials. With those, I accessed the VTP service and uploaded a file which gave me a limited shell on the target machine. Once I had shell access, I ran linPEAS to look for escalation paths. It found a kernel vulnerability related to BPV, specifically CVE 2017-16-1995. Exploiting it in the lab gave me full root privileges. I've then captured both the user and root flags as proof, took screenshots and timestamps, and finally restored the VM for reuse. Some recommendations. If this were a real system, I'd start by updating everything, especially the kernel and web server. Then disable insecure services like VTP or replace them with CVTP. Always sanitize user inputs, restrict file access, and run with minimal privileges. Security tools like AppArmor or CLinux help reduce the risk of misconfigurations. This lab taught me that enumeration is the key. Small misconfiguration can chain together into full compromise. And documenting every step makes pentesting both responsible and repeatable. Pentesting isn't just about hacking. It's about understanding how systems fail so we can make them stronger. I really enjoyed this project, especially the privilege escalation part. Thanks for watching. If you like this walkthrough, try Jangow on VulnHub or explore TryHackMe and HackTheBox for guided labs. I hope this inspired you to keep learning and always hack safe.